In this video, I am so excited to talk to you about my favorite topics, and that is traveling and skincare. Now, your routine will not change. Repeat, skincare routine does not need to suffer. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the best products to bring with you to make your traveling easy, fun, and functional, all in this video. Here in my hand are my 3 top favorite tools because they are light and compact. The stone roller is my go-to because it does so many things. When I'm traveling, never fails, I get the puffiest eyes. So this will help depuff your eyes, will help with relaxation, super soothing, product penetration, and it feels so good and cold, especially if it's a hot month. Now, if you feel like this is even too big and heavy, then you can get the stone roller necklace. This is my antibacterial brush with a bamboo handle, so very light, very luxurious, and I want you to take this with you and use it because you probably don't have a washcloth with you, so if you don't, this ensures that you're still thoroughly cleansing your skin, and if you have sunscreen on, this is gonna be amazing to help make sure you remove all of that physical mineral sunscreen. Now, the disposable razor is not just for your legs, underarms, and bikini area. You can absolutely use this on your face. That's right, it never fails. You look in that hotel mirror and you see all that peach fuzz and you see some dry skin and things are just looking bleh. This is amazing. I always take 3 or 4 so I could do a quick little touch me up so my makeup is flawless. So bonus tool or accessory, whatever you want to categorize, I am obsessed and I love the Kish headbands. Why? Because this brilliant ponytail holder for your hair. So when you're washing your face, again, I don't travel and I don't live without this because it makes my life so easy and enjoyable when I wash my face. So you have 2 options when traveling. You can go for the classic 2-ounce size, which is TSA approved, or you can go for sample sizes. Trial kits are amazing for a quick overnighter or just 4 or 5 days. Now, if you're going longer, I have another tip for you. So if you can't get a smaller size, you can always take your bigger sizes and transport them into this awesome TSA approved cute little Kish bag. There's different travel ones out there that you can put little containers for your eye creams and cleansers, and then you can have some bigger containers too, so you can transport light and easy. So I don't have time to go into my entire routine, but I want to let you know when I travel, these are the products I always bring with me, not just for me, but my entire family can use this, which means we might only have to pack 1 toiletry bag. Amazing! I want to take a minute to tell you about my favorite 3 though, just a little more. So MCT Oil, this is a godsend. Number 1 thing you must take with you. Why? Because it is such amazing multitasking. You can use it as a makeup remover. You can use it to hydrate your skin. You can put it in the bath for moisturizer. You can put it on your cuticles. You can put it in your hair. You can even use it for shaving and to get gum out of your kids' hair. A true multitasking miracle. I don't like to bring 6 bottles of sunscreen. I bring 1 bottle of sunscreen, and this is great because it is a physical all mineral sunscreen, meaning no chemicals are in this, and it is reef safe, water resistant up to 80 minutes. So this is something I use for my entire family, and you have 1 sunscreen for everyone's needs. Awesome. This is my 4-in-1 cleansing sponge. I developed this product because I wanted something super multitasking and super lightweight. So right here you have a sponge with a cleanser inside. That's right, and you can use it to cleanse your face, leave it on. You have a mask. This gives you a nice exfoliation on the sponge, gets away your makeup. TSA loves it because it's so light and I love it. And you can get 2 to 3 uses out of this. So super handy dandy, and even my preteen uses it. So win-win. Thank you so much for watching my travel tips video. I hope you learned some great new skincare hacks and ways to make your traveling light and easy. Safe travels out there, and I'll see you next time.